You want some food? Okay, I have a little bit, not too much. There you go. Okay. All I can spare. Where did you come from? I never saw you before. Yeah? Where'd you come from? Hi. Did you get dropped off today? You're very fat. I don't think you came from another place. I think somebody dropped you off only today. Maybe last night in the dark. Oh, that's very bad. So, where is Quill? God. And all this grass roped off. It's been this way for a year and a half. Straight, for a year and a half straight. So nobody can use this park really. I know there are grass strains that are much, much hardier than this stuff that they could replant in here, and the downtime would be reduced by 90%, maybe more. I don't know what they're thinking. Have a beautiful but unusable park. I just can't figure it out. But that is BGC. Okay. Cats on the brain. Where the hell are they? It's siesta time really. Although it's a little cooler, so I might expect them to be out rooting around. But you never know. With cats. K-A-T-S. Trying to avoid going home. Because if I go home, I have to work. I'd rather just walk around and look for cats. A hell of a lot more fun. Probably more productive too. Okay, we'll try the usual spot here. See if any of them will come to the universal cat call. Oh God, I thought it was a snake. Oh, Quill, how did you see me? How did you know who it was? Huh? Meow, meow, meow. Okay, come on. Okay, come on. Come on. No, that's not food. Okay. Oh, and there's the trout. There's the little trout. Okay, Quill. Okay. Okay, what side do you want? This side, it's shadier. Here you go. I'll give it all to you. Here you go. Oh yeah, the mother lode. There you go, and there's the little trout fish. Come on. Come on, trout. Come on. Come on, do you want food or not? What's your problem? Quill, slowly. Slowly. Why are you just ravenous every single day? I don't understand it. The volunteers come and they leave food. Don't you eat that? What is the problem? Oh, Quill. Trout, come on. Come on, you're going to miss it all. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, you little devil eyes. I have salmon. Yes, I do. Maybe, if I can find it. Yep, there it is. I have salmon. Oh yeah, the trout knows what that is. Yeah, but he's a chewer. She's a chewer. Oh yeah, it is salmon today. Yeah, salmon. The salmon always brings them, or it used to be the squid, but stores haven't had squid for months and months. The squid was the favorite. Salmon is number 2. Chicken is number 3. Oh god, it stinks. I've sampled most of their food. I've never sampled this crap. Oh god. No, I ain't gonna. Holy jeez. Slowly, Quill. If I can get her full a little bit on the dry food, then she doesn't make such a fool of herself on the salmon paste. This one will go goo goo gaga for the salmon. God, Quill, you just make a horrible mess out of everything. You're the sloppiest eater I've ever seen. Where's your sister today, huh? You know. Huh? Where'd you go? Over here. Over here. Okay, she's full of the food. Now she wants a salmon. Okay, okay, Quill. Quill, no, we gotta have scruffing. Or you just make a mess. You're just like a machine gun staple gun. Okay, see, when you do like that, then it's not messy, and you ultimately get more. Yeah, I know it's really stinking good. I know, well, for you anyway, not for me. Okay, we're gonna save a little bit for the trout. Okay, I gotta scruff you because you'll just swallow that whole tube. See, you're already turning it into cheesecloth. Those little stapler teeth. Jeez. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, trout. Here you go. A little bit for you. A little bit. Because, oh, see, you dropped it already. It's trout. No, 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 no. Trout, no. That's not the ant. Biting the tube is... Shit. There's some on the ground there. You find it. Yeah, she did. Wow. It's amazing. Okay. Quill. Quill. Okay. Okay, that's there. See, that's not bad. You're not biting so much now. Yeah, that's better. Come on, little trout. Look, there's some more of this food up here. Yeah, look. So trout's looking pretty healthy. She's getting enough food. Hey, no fighting. No, you're friends. You're friends. We're all friends here. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, trout. Yeah, you're full, aren't you? Because you got food earlier somehow. Yeah. You're getting kind of turning into a wide load there, Quill. Now, when Quill first came here, she was about half the size of trout there. And I brought her salmon every day. And she filled out maybe a little more than is necessary. Probably couldn't catch a bird now to save her life because she's too fat. Where are you? Oh, she likes to sit in the back, just touching your back. I don't know what that's about, really. I think she would be very cuddly to sleep with in the bed. I think she would be a nice little companion. Okay, well, Milky got fed and Trout got fed and the crazy one got fed. Little Miss Troublemaker, Quill. Come on, Trout. There's no reason you can't have some of this. It's okay. Look, here, you take yours over here. Look, nobody will bother you over there. And Quill's not going to eat it all. Yeah, Quill, look, it's okay. This is yours over here. Look. Oh my God, you're like little children. Okay, there you go. There you go. Yeah, Quill's full. Quill's actually full. She go. Oh, she went there. It's okay. Yeah, here you go. It's okay. Quill's not going to bother you. Quill's full. You need all the food you can get. This is actually kitten food. I think it's got a little higher protein content. And these guys need their protein out here. They're getting plenty of bulk from the cheap food that the volunteers bring, but they need protein. Okay, you still have some. It's okay. No fighting. No fighting. Okay. Okay, good kitty. Here you go. You can eat it all. Oh no, it's raining. Hell. There you go. Little trout fish. Yeah, it's raining. And it's gonna rain more, I get a feeling. Oh yeah, there's a big black booger up there. Okay. Let's see if I can escape out of here without being followed. And I don't think that's gonna work. Because I'm stupid. And I didn't plan this correctly. Okay. No, Quill's staying there so far. So far, so good. Now, where'd she go? Where did she go? Am I gonna escape? God, I think I'm gonna escape. Oh, I want to go that way. Shit. If she's not looking. I don't know where she went. No, she disappeared. Oh, I'm gonna get out of here. This would be the easiest escape I ever made. Oh no, there's... Shit. Hi. Don't look back. Don't look back. Don't look back. Oh hell, the coffee place is crowded as usual. Shit. No, she's not coming. Okay, made it. Clean break.